Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to welcome you to Vancouver. The local time is approximately 9:30. No, actually, it's a bit earlier, 9:25. For your safety and comfort, please stay seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Do not smoke or wear your own headset until you're inside the terminal. Cellular phones and Blackberries may be used only after the seatbelt sign has been turned off. And if you have a connecting flight here in Vancouver, please check with our ground staff for the monitor screen inside. And if you require assistance to deplane, please stay seated. We will be glad to help you as soon as the aisle is free. On behalf of Air Canada, we're a member of the Star Alliance, and we thank you for being with us today, and we'll look forward to be of service to you again in the near future. Good evening.